Having a fair. I was reflecting recently about how lonely it is to be a family historian or genealogist. It's a fantastic hobby, but it can be lonely at times. And some of you, like me, will have sat in the evenings on the internet researching your family ancestors for hours at a time. How many of you have paused, looked at the clock in the bottom of the screen or on the wall and gasped that it's 2 a.m. in the morning, maybe 3 a.m. or even 4 a.m. in the morning, and you should have gone to bed hours ago? So if, like me, you do find it a lonely hobby at times, then why not get out and join a local group or go to a family history fair? What is it that people get out of these fairs? Some people, with a glint in their eye, were talking about their own family history and sharing the ups and downs of this fascinating hobby. They were asking questions, they were looking for clues, further techniques that might help them break through that brick wall we all tend to have from time to time in our research. And of course it's only a brick wall until you find a record that gets you through it or around it. Others were just sharing their family history stories with a glint in their eye and a knowing glance that you too share this fascinating, interesting, exciting hobby of family history. So family history fairs are a great place to engage with your family history, to engage with other people, maybe to spend a penny or two, okay, a pound or two on resources, further resources for your family history, and to ask lots of questions and find out about new societies, new records, new techniques in the marketplace. So do think about attending a family history fair. If you've enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, particularly if it's on YouTube, and add a comment or two into the comments below.